The sixth step is retrieval of tissue, that is removal of the resected chip. There are various methods of removal of resected chip. The first and the foremost method which is followed is ovum forceps. It requires dilatation, and if you are using a smaller size resector, then recheck hysteroscopy later on becomes very difficult. Secondly, it's a blind procedure. Any blind procedure is always dangerous. The chances of perforation is also high. Second method is by resectoscope. The resected chip and tissue is held between the loop electrode and the sheath, and the whole system is then removed outside the uterine cavity. Now this method has to be repeated multiple times. Now you can see the chip is held, the resected chip is held between the loop and the resectoscope itself. Whole system is removed, and you have to continue this multiple times till you remove the last chip. These are the various tips which we have removed.